Hey, have you ever wanted to find out whether or not that music that you've been listening to was artificial intelligence slop or not? I mean, whether it was created with artificial intelligence? If so, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use Deezer artificial intelligence music detector. Now, Deezer claims that they're the only music platform on the internet that actually has a detector and actually takes artificial intelligence music seriously, and right doesn't really allow it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. First thing is you want to browse to this uniform resource locator that's highlighted on screen, deezer.com/explorer/en-us. It's highlighted. That's not that long. You just type that into the address bar of your preferred web browser. You could also use a search engine. You could even use a artificial intelligence search engine and just look for it's free too. Oh, did I mention that? It's entirely free for now, but at the time of this video creation it is free, but in the future it could change. It's a free artificial intelligence music detector. Okay, I have some other details here. Now what you'll do is you'll want to choose your streaming service. On the home page here it says, or the main page for this tool, it says it's compatible with every streaming service. They have a Spotify icon, I believe that's Apple Music, YouTube Music, SoundCloud. What's the purple heart or the purple with the heart? Oh, that's Deezer's. Now they claim that every streaming service, and what is it, 20 of them or whatnot. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but you could certainly try it with any of your streaming accounts. So what you're going to do is that you're going to choose your streaming service, and then you're going to connect to your account, and you're going to connect your account to Deezer, and then you're going to you may be prompted for permissions and warning you what it is going to have access, and you'll need to give permissions. And then you'll want to allow Deezer to scan your playlists. Okay, it mentions, what is it, 100? Yes, up to 100 playlists that you can scan for free. You can then finally view the results and even share them. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you do not have a Deezer account, you could browse to the same page, or you could browse to Deezer.com. Click on sign up. It's free. All right. It says here, how much artificial intelligence music in your playlists. And then you just click on scan my playlist once you sign into your account. And what else? Yeah, this is redundant. This is redundant. I don't need to go over any of this. What happens is it will flag. It will detect and flag. Oh, that's what in more detail, Deezer claims that they're the only music streaming platform that tags artificial intelligence music. And then, but when I read a lengthy like a newsroom type article from them pertaining to this technology, it looks like most artificial intelligence, I don't think they allow it at all. I could be wrong about that. At the very least, they allow very little, if not none, right? You know what I'm saying? Whereas you got these other platforms like Spotify and YouTube Music, and I don't know about SoundCloud, but what's up with that, man? What, they don't seem to have a problem with the artificial intelligence slop? I mean, that may have been an inappropriate comment. I do not know. You know what I'm saying? Now, some people think that all artificial intelligence generated music is slop. Oh, here's an anecdotal story. Well, but to you it's anecdotal. This is a real life story. I tried one time to create artificial intelligence music. I cannot remember the website or the technology, right? As far as the website and the service, there's just so many that I've actually tested. And I asked the artificial intelligence chatbot, and I inputted a prompt asking it to create a technology music, progressive. My favorite music genre is trance music, which is short for, well, you got electronic dance music, but techno music, which is short for technology music. I cannot stand music with vocals. That's why I prefer trance. And I even told it a specific genre within electronic dance music, tech, trance, not just trance, but progressive trance. There's a difference. And then I said no vocals, absolutely no vocals. And it created about a 1 minute song. It was horrible. It didn't even sound like trance music. What it sound like country? I don't know what it sounded like. Elevator music? It was just horrible. And I only tested it one time though. Yeah, it could be that the prompt is important. Okay. All right, so I've already went over this. This is redundant. It says here's some statistics. 97. They had a survey. What was it? 8,000, 9,000 people. 97% of people cannot tell artificial intelligence generate songs. 97% of people cannot tell artificial intelligence generate songs. 97% of people cannot tell artificial intelligence generate songs from people from human created music. Now, it was predicated upon some study. It was like 8 or 9,000 people from different continents, but not like every nation state was part of the study. And it didn't mention the music genre. It says that Deezer has allegedly detected and tagged the number 13.4 million artificial intelligence generated songs in 2025. Well, yeah, check this out. Now, Spotify, have you ever studied Spotify? They have a gargantuan number too. They have a high amount of, 100,000 per day of music uploaded to that platform, and it's all artificial intelligence generated. They claim 75,000 plus artificial intelligence generated songs are uploaded daily, which is 44% of their total uploads, almost half. Well, I know of one word, agentic. Chances are it would be agentic artificial intelligence. You could automate it. You could just crank out the songs with artificial intelligence, and then you could have an agent then upload the songs all day long. Just it would be 24 hours a day. It would be all automated. It creates songs, upload, create songs, upload, create songs, upload, create songs, upload, and over and over and over again. Okay. Yeah, they identify artificial intelligence music across generative platforms, okay, to make sure they're human made. The word generative, that's a term that in artificial intelligence that means generation. You know what I'm saying? It says up to 85% of artificial intelligence music streams are fraudulent. Okay. And it's often linked to stream manipulation. Yeah, this is where Deezer will filter and demonetize these streams that they claim are fake. All right, what else they mention? Yeah, now this is generative. This is, which means generate. This is not agentic. There's a difference. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they claim that in order for them to detect if it's artificial intelligence generated, they claim that generative software will leave artifacts in the audio signals of that music. And it says that Deezer artificial intelligence scanner, I don't know if this information is true or correct. And I don't have a Deezer account. And so I'm not, and I don't have, no. I can't discuss how I acquire music because definitely YouTube would have a big problem with what I would say. But I don't have any paid for music accounts, none. And so obviously I don't have Deezer, so I cannot demonstrate for you. But you could certainly, if you've already got an existing Spotify Apple Music, SoundCloud, whatever. You could test out their service and see if this all is legitimate or not. But it says that they claim that it flags them with 99% accuracy. All right. Now, this is part of, I believe, the same study. What people think of artificial intelligence music. Yeah, it says a majority of people just want transparency when it comes to artificial intelligence generating music. 80% of users agree that artificial intelligence generating music should be clearly labeled. Me personally, I do not care. I do not care because I don't take music that seriously. I just mostly use music as a speaking out loud. Yeah, why do you think I wear these? This place is loud. Violation of lease agreements and maybe, disturbing the peace. Anyways, I do not care. I listen to music now for background noise, basically, and my preferred genre is technology music. Yeah, me personally, I would not care, except if I listen to, because I think, I don't know what the numbers are, but I think probably, well, it could be that a lot of the artificial intelligence music is probably pretty terrible and right, you know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't want to waste time. That would be the only reason why it would be productive for it being labeled. Okay, this is artificial intelligence music. Okay, for now I'm going to skip it. Okay. Yep, 80% of users think it should be labeled artificial intelligence if it was created with artificial intelligence. The number 73 want to know if their platform recommends artificial intelligence music. Hey, what's up with this? There's a lot of music streaming websites that don't tag it, don't label it. Oh, you know what? I think what Deezer, they don't recommend any artificial intelligence music. None of it is recommended, and they actually remove it from their recommendation algorithm. Yeah, if they detect it. But what's up with that? What's up with these big music streaming sites that don't flag it, don't label it? And they still recommend it. Oh, it couldn't be the capitalist gone wild again. They want that Skrilla, and they don't care if it's, and I can't talk about the copyright, aspects of it. No, we says YouTube, known as YouTube. No, you have to be cognizant and conscious of your every word, especially when it comes to subjects like that. Okay, I'm almost done here. It says that 45% would like to filter out 100% artificial intelligence generated music. Good luck with that, because a lot of these platforms are already sold out. Yeah, good luck finding a platform that is just say no to artificial intelligence music. Okay. Yeah, the detection system for Deezer will flag artificial intelligence generated content, and then it will label those albums where it's included. Over 13.4 million artificial intelligence tracks have been detected last year, and it says that artificial intelligence music is not included in the algorithm and editorial recommendations, but I think some of it is still available though, but they don't include it in their algorithm, and then it's not recommended, but it could be out on the platform. You may have to search for it, right? I think that's enough, because at the bottom this will be redundant. Yeah, I'm not going to go over the frequently asked questions, but you could check out this uniform resource locator that I highlighted for you again. That is this video pertaining to how you can use Deezer artificial intelligence. I wonder if she is artificial intelligence generated. Oh, that's next. It is not if, but when. The video platforms, I'm telling you, the gaming platforms, the music platforms, you know what they're going to do? This is just me. This is just my conclusion. They're going to sell out, and you may not have human content creators anymore. I wonder if she is real or not. How you can use Deezer artificial intelligence music detector. Adios. Oh, I just thought of an idea. I just brainstormed. I'm going to create the world's first how to detect a content creator, a human content creator compared it to an artificial content creator, whether they're on video or, right? Sure, and I'll be a millionaire and billionaire, and you'll never see me on YouTube again. Adios.